In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install and download a Drupal 8 theme to your website. So themes are all about customizing the appearance of your website. Drupal has many of built themes already designed that can be downloaded from the Drupal.org website. So if you go to Drupal.org and then down at the bottom of the page, there is a link to themes. And if you click that, it will bring you to this particular page here. And then since we're using Drupal 8, we're going to specify the core compatibility with Drupal 8. And then we are going to search. And so I'm going to find a theme that works. So we'll just take something that doesn't require much configuration. And so I will go and download this Nexus theme. And so I'll go to the theme page, and depending on which method you prefer to use, I prefer to use the tarball. So I'm actually going to right click on here and copy link location. And you want to make sure you get the version that is designated with 8.x, as this represents compatibility with Drupal 8. This 7.x represents compatibility for Drupal 7. So we want the 8.x version, and I'm going to get the tarball. And this, by being highlighted in green, means that it is stable. If you see a version that is yellow, that means there are some security issues with that particular version. So I would recommend only downloading themes that are noted in green, as you see the background here of this particular one. So since I have this on my Drupal installation on a different server, I'm actually going to copy the link location and then go to my command prompt window that is logged into the server. And as you see, I'm in here, so I'm going to go to sites. So I'm in the Drupal 8 directory, so I'm going to go to the sites and then default directory. And then I'm going to make a folder here. And so using the command mkdir and then call it themes. Then I'm going to go into the themes directory. And then I'm going to use wget, and then I'm going to paste the URL to the theme that I want to download. And so that theme is now there. And then I'm going to unzip it using gunzip. And then I'm going to untar it using the tar and then the file name. And as you see now, the Nexus directory now exists. So I'm going to remove the tar file. And so my directory is there. Now I'm going to go to my Drupal 8 site and go to administration and then appearance. And then here you see the default theme that is currently installed is 7, but I want to change it to the Nexus theme. So I'm going to do install and set as the default. And so now you see the theme of the site has now changed to the particular theme. If you want, you can also use there are two other themes that come with Drupal that are installed that are packaged by default, Bartik and then Stark. So if you don't want to use or install an additional theme from the Drupal site, you can use one of the other themes. And then what I also recommend doing is uninstalling the theme that you're not using. This does not use any additional space on the file system if it's a core theme. However, it does have some settings saved in the database if you leave it installed. So by removing it out of the database, that's less space in your database. Thus, your database should be able to run faster, especially if you have multiple themes installed that you're not actually using. So once you have the theme installed, each theme has settings that can be configured. Now the settings will vary in what they display. So like this one has a shortcut icon that can be turned on or turned off. And then it also has sliders that are associated with this particular theme. So this concludes the tutorial of setting up themes within Drupal 8. If you have any questions, please drop those in the comment section below. Also, please consider subscribing so that you get notified when new tutorials are released. In the meantime, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at almostengr. Until next time, keep engineering. So I'm going to go to sites